Hey guys, welcome back to Miguel Detailing. And real quick before I go ahead and continue to this video was pre-recorded. This video was supposed to be used to train new employees on how to clean vehicles that were already cleaned. So before I go ahead and start that video, thank you very much for coming. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon all the way on the side. Or that will definitely help us. That's the best way you can help us right now. Help me continue this YouTube channel and make more amazing videos for you. So if you really want to learn how to keep a clean car clean, go ahead and watch this video, and don't forget to watch all the way to the end and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, and welcome back to Miguel Auto Detailing, MiguelDetailing.com. And today we're working on a Honda Odyssey. And basically, the reason why I made this video to begin with was because I wanted to show you guys and kind of teach my new guys that are coming with me on the job how to clean a vehicle that is really not filthy. And all this comes into basically the attention to detail. So in this particular vehicle, I was not even going to record, but I decided to because of this reason. I took this as a great opportunity to show them that even though the car looks really clean from the outside, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's super clean. So you want to pay attention to detail and make sure you vacuum enough. Make sure you, all those little spots that you might see, so like the carpet, you want to spot treat it. So if you see that there's a little bit of dirt here, a little bit of dirt over there, you want to go ahead and spot treat that. You know, if you see a little stain, like say a drink or something that they had fell down the carpet, you know, they not going to clean it, or might not even know how to clean it. You want to go ahead and treat that spot. And the way you treat a spot like that is with the red zone. That's a good stain remover chemical that you can use. Then you want to obviously hit those small areas like the doors and like door handles, and on the vehicle like this that you can easily remove the seats. You know, there sooner or later they are going to remove the seats, mostly because of an event like this. That's particularly why they made it so easy for the seats to be removable. There are things that they might go to Home Depot, you know, or let's say Club to do a big grocery list shopping, you know, and they might have to remove some seats and put a bunch of things in there. And the ones that remove it, they're going to see all the nasty stuff in the bottom, and that's going to basically tell them that you didn't good at your job, or not just a good job, you just didn't do a very detailed, thorough job, which is basically what the name implies, detailing. So, you know, there's little things that you might not think about when you're doing it. Some people are like, how do I put it? Have like that attention to detail thing. Like some people really want to get in there and get everything out. But even though that is always a good thing, like here, that's a good thing because the vehicle is already clean. Basically, there's really not much, but those little details. When you do have very, very filthy vehicles, you want to go as far as you can when it comes to what they're paying for. One other thing as well. Well, honestly, let's leave this to a different discussion. I don't want to push it too much here. Here, let's focus on the attention to details to a vehicle that's basically already clean. So you can see right there, like the cup holder. That's one thing you want to worry about, you know. And if you can see, I'm not using any very strong APC. My APC I diluted 10 to 1. They diluted 10 to 1. That means 10 part water and 1 part chemical. 10 to 1. And the APC I use, it is proper power. I think this is the first time probably I have said this, but it is proper power. I diluted 10 to 1 for interior and 41 for wheels and tires. It does an amazing job. I believe you can buy the 5-gallon tank in Walmart for about 20 bucks. So 20 and you diluting it 10 to 1, you got about 200 gallons at 5 gallons. Yeah, no, 100 gallons off a 5-gallon tank. So it always work out for you. You want to make sure you don't spend as much money or too much money, I'll say, and then not get money in return. So yeah, a little bit of business advice there for you. You always want to work on that. In different vehicles, you kind of see me using like the drill brush to get those areas done, get it nice and quick. But like I said, it really depends on the vehicle, on the condition of the vehicle, and that's always what you want to look for before you get something aggressive. So not sure what I heard there. What I recommend is always starting like on a very light chemical and a very light agitation, not something that will scratch the plastic, and try to see if you can get it removed like that. Most of the time, 9 out of 10 of the times, you will be able to get that removed. If it does not remove, then you want to go into a little bit harder, like the drill brush that I use, or use the steamer, loosen it up, get the boar's hair detail brush and get that out. That's that's something that you can do. Again, here, this is something I'll say attention to detail. So this basically covers the area where the air blows out of the back of the vehicle for the AC. This is just one little plastic. This can remove. You only got a couple clips on the back. You remove it, clean it, you dry it, you put it right back, and you look to all brand new again. Oh yeah, guys. So if you guys want to let me know how good the new videos are coming, how you guys are liking the new videos, the quality of it, the new angles that I'm working on, let me know. If you guys have any other angles that you guys would like to see, any particular videos that you guys would like to see, go ahead and let me know. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on the comment section below, and hit that ring button right under the subscribe button so you can get every new video that we upload. I am doing the best that I can to go every week with a new video. Every week I'm trying to do this. It is a little bit difficult for me since I always got things going on, but I am doing my best to get you guys new videos every week. So help me with it. Help me do it. Always like, comment, subscribe, share as much as possible, and that will definitely help me and motivate me to continue posting new videos out there. Okay, so right here with the carpet is basically what I was saying before. You want to go ahead and spot treat the carpet. So this particular part of the carpet here was really not that dirty, but I could tell that there was something spilled on it from the back, and since it is basically the bottom part of the back seat, probably one kids dropped some type of liquid. And it really was not that noticeable, but I wanted to go ahead and spot treat it either way, and it turned out brand new, which is the good part of spot treating it right away, because you don't let it sit there for so long, and that means for the next detail it will be super easy. There's another product out there that you can kind of use or offer for your clients, which is the fabric water repellent. They use a lot on boats and on all different materials like bikes and things like that, so they can repel the water when they are left outside, since they use a lot of well, they say they are more out there than a vehicle. It's obviously the interior of a vehicle will not get as much water as a bike, or a boat. But it's always good if you want to go ahead and protect the carpet, those fabric, use a water repellent, and that will definitely add a little bit extra protection. It's kind of like a wax for the paint. I won't specify this enough. The most important part when extracting your carpet is not just your chemical, but the agitation is very, very, very important. When you agitate the carpet, all those chemicals, all that dirt basically comes up, and then when you pass the extractor is gonna just go ahead and swallow all that, vacuum all the dirt out of there. So that's the best thing you can do when you are extracting a carpet, is make sure you agitate pretty well, and then you use a very strong chemical that can remove that dirt out of that carpet. Now for the rest, dashes and all the plastic, like I said, they were already clean. So using a little bit of APC with a microfiber towel and a little bit of the drill brush and the microfiber, the detail brush, you can get everything out. The biggest parts of it here would be the floor mats, since they were all weathered floor mats. I just went ahead at APC, agitate, then spray down with the water hose. Then I went ahead and dried them by hand. I wouldn't wait, I just dried them by hand. And at the end, I added a little bit of protection to it. Is the full all black restoration, basically restoring it back to its original color without making it too slick or too dangerous for the customers to drive away. And this helps protect that rubber, but it also helps bring that color right back to normal, bring it back to original color when they first bought that format. After that, we're gonna go ahead and assemble everything back together. You want to go ahead and put the floor mats first for this particular vehicle, since the seats go over the floor mats. These seats are a little bit heavier than they look. They are a little bit heavier, but they are awesome and easy to remove and to put on. All you gotta do is make sure those latches match their current location, and they'll clip back on. That's it. Now again, I won't stress this enough to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. That's the best way you can help this channel out for the moment. That's the best thing you can do. So thank you very much for those who are loyal and keep on watching our videos. Thank you for those who comment below and let us know how we can improve our skills. Let us know anything that I might need to know. Just let me know. Go ahead and comment in the comment section below. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram, Miguel Detailing, Facebook, Detailed by Miguel, and my webpage, migueldetailing.com. So any questions whatsoever, any appointments, we are located in Columbus, Ohio, and we'll definitely help out with the best thing that we can do. Oh, before I forget, there's things that they should be obvious, but they're not. So at the end of the vehicle, before you turn the vehicle in, the best thing you want to do is go ahead and vacuum the vehicle one last time, and that's going to allow you to remove any little trash particle that basically fell onto the carpet, in this case the floor mats, and you can remove all that dirt, all those little tiny dirt, before the customers ever see the vehicle. Like I said, another thing that you want to worry about before, like I said before, and I stressed in videos before, is you want to make sure who your clients are. Particularly for me, I have a lot of automotive dealerships that supply cars for me. A lot of people don't like. I know a lot of detailers that don't like working for dealers and so much, because of the low amount of pricing that they offer for cleaning a vehicle. But there's always a deal that you can come up with. It's always a good thing that you came out of there. For me, particularly working for dealerships, I get videos and it allows me to train my my new employees. So it's a win-win situation for me. Okay guys, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you share. Hit that bell icon all the way in the corner right under the subscribe button, and we'll definitely keep up to date on videos every week. We are trying our best, definitely trying our best for every week video. So thank you guys for everything. We'll see you next week, and have a wonderful day.